The National Weather Service in Morristown has issued a rain special warning for southeastern Morristown County, northeastern Morristown County, northeastern Kennett County until 5 p.m. At 4:05 p.m., the rain has fallen into small radius in the weather app. You can find to go to your weather app. A rain was located 3 miles of Rochesboro, or 8 miles of Rochesboro, Kennett, Comparative. Source: radar. Impact: for this damage, the rain will follow the password. This one. I'm following you. A lightning watches from you and effect until 6 p.m. Northern 9% downward water side and cruising. For your protection, move into interior room on the lowest floor, sturdy building. For the special rain and protection, please support safe weather by calling 800-423-987-344. Posting to the National Weather Service for nothing. Repeating, a special rain warning has been issued until 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time. A lightning warning will be issued for this until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. For the reason, it might be causing lightning. Stay tuned. What's doing the TV? I'm falling down the stairs. Just to worry. This one you. Guys. Oh, we're captain time. The National Weather Service in Morristown has issued a special rain warning for southwestern Kennett County of Tennessee, southeastern Morris County of Tennessee, southeastern Camden County of Tennessee until 5 p.m. At 4:05 p.m., a rain special warning has been located 8 miles of Rochesboro, or simple miles per hour begun. Source: radar indicated. Impact: the wind that may could be dangerous. A silver thunderstorm watches from you and effect until 6 p.m. Water defaults local hack special. For your protection, move into interior room on the lowest floor, sturdy building. Please support strong winds to the National Weather Service for calling 877-928-347. Posted to the National Weather Facebook page or using on Twitter at BWS. Repeating, a special rain warning has been issued until 5 p.m. for the following counties.